Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw work from Basecamp campfire threads and announcements step-by-step clip. To withdraw work from Basecamp campfire threads or announcements, start by logging into your Basecamp account. Navigate to the project where the campfire thread or announcement is located. Locate the campfire section, visible in the project menu. In the campfire section, find the specific thread containing the work you want to withdraw. Click on that thread to open it. Review the messages and information shared within the thread. Identify any tasks or actionable items that you need to withdraw. If tasks are discussed in the thread, determine who is responsible for each. Select the relevant messages that require extraction. Copy the content related to those tasks. Open the project's task section or relevant area where you want to place this information. Create a new task or note as needed. Paste the copied content into the new task or note. Assign the task to the appropriate team member if necessary. Set a due date or additional details to provide clarity. Ensure that the information reflects the context from the campfire thread. You may also wish to summarize the tasks for easier understanding. Once all necessary tasks have been documented, revisit the campfire thread. Inform team members that you have withdrawn the work items for clarity. Encourage anyone who needs to reference the original thread. Check that all actionable items are accounted for in the new location. Keep the original campfire thread for future context if needed. This way, you have effectively withdrawn work from Basecamp campfire threads and announcements, ensuring all team members are aligned. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.